Every purchase saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. 2-tank cleaning system. Powerfully vacuum or actively mop your floors. Powerfully vacuum. In dry cleaning mode, triple action cleaning system utilizes dual spinning edge brushes, a rotating brush roll and powerful suction with up to 1500 PA to clean debris on carpet and hard surfaces. Actively mop. Rotating mop pads scrub and clean floors including wood, tile, linoleum, and other sealed hard floors. Soft surface avoidance sensor. Automatically avoids carpets and area rugs while mopping. Wood floor formula. Specially formulated solution to restore your floor's natural shine. Includes 2-tank cleaning system, hard floor expert mop pads, replacement filters and edge cleaning brushes, and a trial-size bottle of wood floor formula. Lithium-ion battery. Provides up to 100 minutes of runtime on hard floors in low mode and recharges in 4 to 5 hours. Schedule cleaning. Works with Bissell Connect app, so you can start, stop and schedule cleaning cycles from anywhere. Top reviews from the United States. Especially impressed with wet mode cleaning. This is my first time using a robot-type vacuum. I loved how easy this was to set up, and it's also so easy to switch from the dry cleaning to wet cleaning. I was impressed by how much debris the SpinWave picked up while in wet mode. Last photo. The battery life is sufficient, but I feel you would need to charge between dry cleaning and wet cleaning, so the fact that it picks up some debris while in wet mode is really handy. We have 2 kids and a dog, so the floors are dirty almost immediately after we clean. The wet mode did not totally saturate the floor like I was afraid it would do. Overall, it is not good with corners, but the shape of the machine inhibits it from being able to get into the tight spaces. I definitely do recommend this product.